Gemini AI, how to make video. First, open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Once you're on the Gemini homepage, you'll see the text box at the bottom. Click the plus icon, then select Create Videos to access Gemini's AI video generator. Next, enter your detailed prompt describing the video you want to create. If you want the AI to follow a specific character, object, or style, click the Image option and upload your reference image. After that, choose the aspect ratio that best fits your project. Once everything is ready, review your settings and click the Submit button. Gemini will start generating your AI video based on your prompt and reference image. The generation process usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's complete, click the Play button to preview your AI-generated video and check that you're satisfied with the final result. If the video looks good, simply click the Download button in the top right corner to save it to your device. And that's how you can create amazing AI videos with Gemini AI in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.